Yep, I just died right there. Did you kill me with your frag? Yes, bitch. You coming, Austin? Don't die. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. Taking A. You on? Oh shit! Get on A with me. Hurry up so we can get this bitch. Ah! Bitch! I slid too far. I'm not even gonna play the objective.
Reloading.
Come help me get this headquarters. I just died. Hurry up, jump on it, jump on it. Well, somebody catching that shit. Throw a smoke. 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 Oh, there's...
HQ is green. Get the move on. They're capturing the HQ. Go. HQ contested.
And we lost.
Cluster strike ready for launch.
Oh,
We're at the HQ.
I thought the game.
Standby.
I thought the game over.
Enemy cruise missile.
All right, tier 5, baby. Let's go. I don't even know what I just got, but okay. So the last 2 days, I've been trying to make videos on this, and I try to get like my first reaction to the game. So the way I used to do it was, I would use OBS, but I would link my Elgato to it so it would record gameplay and my face cam at the same time. And that's just how I've been doing it. It's easier that way, but there are things that I can't do when I record it that way. So like, let's say I'm trying to emphasize something that I'm saying, so I would zoom in on my face, but if I do that, then you only see like the corner of the game, and I'd rather be able to have like the whole game in frame and just zoom in on the face. Oh, that recoil though! That was crazy. I don't know why I didn't just like spritz. Anyway, so the way I'm doing it now is recording the face cam with Elgato, and then I record the Elgato gameplay separately using the Elgato software. Okay, fine! But in doing so, what I ended up complicating for myself is that, fuck! You set your Elgato as the global source, and so I didn't realize that I had done that. Or I didn't realize that it was still in effect, because I turned the Elgato off, but I didn't realize that it would still be the global source, and so it would record the Elgato audio along with the motherfucker. Anyway, it would record the Elgato audio along with the PlayStation audio. And so I would be speaking, but it would be like overpowered by the gameplay. And I had 2 different sources recording the game. Fuck you! Oh, what the fuck? I cannot stand this map. I don't know why, but it just plays like shit. Damn, he was ready for me. There was nothing I could do. So yeah, basically what was going on is that my audio, my microphone audio was like really quiet. The game audio was overpowering it, but I couldn't like turn one up and the other one down because they were both linked to each other. So that created problems. Damn! And then when I tried to fix it, I had like when I set up my webcam or the face cam was using my microphone audio on top of already recording my microphone. So it was like doubling up on the microphone. Man! So it sounded distorted. I don't care. I don't care. I did the best on my team and I was doing shitty, so you know, it's whatever. Alright, well, my plan was to sit here and finally get a successful recording session in for at least a little bit. Oh my god, it's shipment! Let's go! I gotta do this. I gotta do this for the short time that I have. I have like 10 minutes to play. My mother wants me to go out and eat with her her work team. So, fuck, man. And I didn't take that slide off. Man, fuck it. Fuck it. I'm just gonna toss a nade like straight. Man, fuck yo chicken strips. Alright. I seen gameplay on this map yesterday, and the spawns are completely fucked. I think as long as I like stay in the damn, look at that, he spawned right in front of me. Like, are you serious? Now he's probably gonna spawn right here. Goddamn! This is such a clusterfuck of a map. Damn, this is crazy! What the fuck? Alright, that was stupid on my part. Bitch! I hate your guts. Whoever my teammate was that shot me, fuck you. I noticed they spawn a lot like right in here. Oh, my controller's derping out. Oh, that was a random kill. Cool. Yeah, fuck you. Ah! Probably gonna get a lot of team. Ah! Fuck. Okay. Yep, so what I'll probably do is I'll go eat lunch and then I'll pick this back up when I'm done. Bye, 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 bye. That was a horrible team play of the game, but whatever. Positive 2.4, let's go, baby! I love Shipment. Shipment's so much fun. I have two cats that are looking like they want to fight. There's that one that you can see right there, and there's one about, like, down here that's being stared at. See, the plan was to get back at 1:30, and I didn't get home until, like, motherfucking, 3. Oh, man, this is gonna be ass. Oh! Got your ass. My teammate. Oh! Your mama. I'm getting my ass. Every time I join Vacant, I get my ass whooped. Who the hell? Look, if I hear my phone go off one more time in the next day, I'm gonna lose my shit. Ah! Hello.
Hey,
Hey.
can you send me a picture of my fluff?
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
She just got chased under the bed.
Why?
Cause Loki's chasing her.
Well, chase him away. I took a picture of my baby.
Oh my god.
I miss her.
Look now.
Don't make me cry.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Alright. Whoop! Yep, try it. Try it again. Oh, he's gonna come up behind me and shoot me in the ass. I can't stand this map. This map plays like total dog shit. Man, fuck you! Fuck off me. Get the fuck— oh, hell no! They're like god tier campers. That's what these guys are. You have a fucking— I cannot climb to save my life. Whatever. There's no saving that. I might as well just die. How many hits does it take? Shit! Oh my god. I need my other pistol back. This one's way too damn slow. I feel like the Magnum's only useful in core. Hardcore, it's just like, why would you even use that stupid thing? Okay. If you kill me one more time, I swear I hate you so much. Where's his ass? Fuck out of here. Yep, I'm out of here. Bye.